Do you often make plans with your friends?
Yes, I often make plans with my friends. Like going to the park or watching a movie, it makes me happy.
How do you usually make plans with your friends?
I usually call them or send a message. Sometimes we talk in school about what to do.
Can you tell me about a plan you made last weekend?
Last weekend, I planned to play football with my classmates. We met in the morning and played for 2 hours.
Do you prefer planning things or just doing them without a plan? Why?
I prefer planning because I feel more ready. If I don't plan, maybe my friends are busy and we cannot meet.
What kind of places do you and your friends usually plan to go to?
We usually go to the park, the shopping mall, or sometimes the library to study together.
Do you think it is easy or difficult to make plans with other people? Why?
Sometimes it is easy, but sometimes difficult. Easy when we all want the same thing, difficult when people are busy.
How do you feel when your plan doesn't work?
I feel a little sad, but I try again another day. It is not a big problem.